Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to adjust ringtone volume on your iPhone models. So you can try this on all the models and how you can adjust it. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to adjust ringtone volume on iPhone 17 models. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down. You might be over here at the top. Just scroll down and navigate to sound and haptics. Now from here you can change the ringtone over here. As you can see, if this been set into completely like this, it will be in the mute. You'll not be hearing any kind of ringtones. So make sure that it's set into maximum like this. And right now you can hear it. Right, so this is for the ringer volumes, and also make sure there is an option called change with button, so you have to enable this. Now if you go back, whenever you are if you try to increase the volume here, you can increase the volume like this. So you can see it is for the ringer, it is increasing. So the moment if you are playing any kind of YouTube music or playing any kind of songs in the Spotify, and if you try to increase the volume like this, if it has been decreased somehow, if you try to increase it, what happens is the media volume will be increasing, not the ringer volume. So that is what you have to keep in mind. So you can tweak or lower down the music with this particular button. The volume down is for reducing the volume, and lower up is for the volume up is for increasing it. So keep in mind that whenever you are trying to change it, if you are playing any kind of things in the background, for example YouTube, or if you are trying to play any kind of songs in the Spotify, so what happens when we are trying to increase it, the media volume will be increasing, not the ringer volume. Just keep in mind that as well. So this is what you have to do, and this is how we can do it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and any doubts can be asked in the comment sections, and I'll see you soon next video. Bye.